Hi everyone, it's TutorialsByKn here, and today is a very special video because my friend J.I. is here.
Hi everyone.
And if you don't know her already, she made the Swordfish bracelet, which I have a tutorial on my channel, and she has also named a few of my bracelets. So today we are going to be filming two tutorials for two Popin Cookin kits. And one of them is the ice cream kit and the other is the cake kit. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, it's J.I. here, and we will begin by doing the cake Popin Cookin kit. We will begin by opening the box.
As you can see, there is a little opening here, so you just tear that out. And here is the package. We will begin by opening up the package. And you just need the scissors and cut where the dotted line is. My cutting isn't perfect, so here it is.
This is what the package should have. A yellow, orange, red, blue and pink packet. It comes with sprinkles, a piping bag, a spoon, and your mixing tray. Cut along the indented lines and you should come up with this. The mixing tray, a water scooper, and a mold. Begin by getting your yellow packet and pouring it into the star mixing tray.
Leave that to the side. Make sure you pour it into the little bowl where it has the star indent at the bottom.
After you've poured all the powder in, add 2 scoops of water. After this, mix it all up with your spoon. Mix it well.
Now your cake batter should look something like this, and make sure it has no lumps in the mixture. And next you're going to be grabbing your orange packet, and you're just going to be pouring all the contents into the heart tray. Make sure you get all of the contents. And you're just going to be grabbing one of the water scoops. Just pour that in there and mix with your other spoon, with your spoon inside the batter, sorry. And again, make sure it has no lumps.
Now, both of your cake batter should look like this, and if you want to, you can smooth it out, or you can tap it on the surface so you get all the air bubbles out. Now we're going to put it in the microwave, and every microwave is different, so it depends what time you put it, but we're going to do it for 30-second intervals.
Okay.
This is what it should look like after it's been microwaved, and be careful because it is a bit warm when you take it out. This is what it looks like once it's been microwaved, and we already took it out of the container and we just stacked it on top of each other. Now we will move on to the jellies.
So now we are going to be grabbing our red packet, and I'm just going to be cutting the top off and leave that to the side. And you're going to be pouring all the contents into the small container with the heart indent. Make sure you shake it out. And you're going to be grabbing your water scooper and grab 1 scoop of water and just put it in there. Now you're going to grab your spoon and mix it so that there are no lumps.
Now we are going to be pouring the liquid into the mold
with your spoon. And you have to hurry up with this step before it sets.
Be very careful. Once you've poured the liquid in the jelly mold, put this aside so it can set. We've already washed all the content in, and now we're going to move on with the icing. So grab your blue packet, cut the top off, and pour this into the big tray
with the star mold.
Now add 2 scoops of water. That's 1. 2. Now grab your spoon and mix this well so there are no clumps. Your icing should look something like this. And now we're going to be moving on to our pink packet. So we're going to shift the powder down. Pour this into your other mold, it should be the small one. Now add 1 scoop of water. Get your spoon, and I've already wiped the excess, and mix this in.
So now your pink icing should look something like this, and the consistency should be more thicker than the white icing. But anyways, you are going to be grabbing your piping bag, and you're going to be grabbing your pink icing and placing it in the piping bag. So now it should look something similar like this. And now we are going to be decorating the cake.
This is what our cake looks like after decorating it. We kind of slumped the decorating part. We're not so good at decorating, but other than that, we had a lot of fun. But now we are going to move on to the ice cream kit.
So now we are going to start off with the ice cream kit as we said before. And I'm just going to be opening the packet. And just going to take the packet out, and I'm just going to be fixing the box up.
Now I will open the package. The kit should come with 1 pink packet, 1 blue packet, some sprinkles, your spoon, an icing bag, your mixing tray, and it should come with 2 wafers, 2 mini ice cream cones, and 1 mini ice cream ball.
So now you are going to be grabbing your pink packet, and I'm just going to open it with my scissors. And I'm just going to pour all the contents in this container. Make sure I pour all the contents in just like that. And now I'm going to grab 1 scoop of water. Just like that. I'm going to grab your spatula or spoon and just mix it up. It may seem that you don't have enough water, but when you keep mixing it and mixing it, it will come together. It should be a very liquidy consistency, and you're just going to mix that until you have no lumps in your mixture.
Now grab your blue packet. Pour this into the opposite container. your water scooper, 1 scoop of water. Now we are going to mix the white one, but before we do that, you want to wipe the excess off the spoon with a napkin. Now we're going to mix this really well. And it does smell really nice. This is what it looks like. We decided we wanted to dye the white part with blue. So just give this a quick mix because it is quite thick now. As you can see that. So I have my food dye here. And I'm going to add probably 1 drop at a time. Okay. Now let's mix this in. This is a really nice royal blue. And this part is really optional. It's up to you if you want to do this. Now, once you've gotten both of your ice creams, we are going to put it in the piping bag. This part can be a little bit tricky. So I have a ruler to help me push it against the sides. Okay. I'm gonna grab our blue first, and if you haven't already noticed, we both like the color blue. Get every single bit in there. Okay.
This is going to be messy, guys, so it doesn't matter how long it takes.
Okay, I'm gonna fold it like this. This is a good trick to do. And just use your ruler, push it down.
We will come back when we finish putting both of the icing colors in the bag. Now that we got the mixture inside the piping bag, we did have quite a mess. But anyways, we are going to start piping. And we are just going to use our spoon and just make this in half. I mean cut this, sorry. Ooh. But anyways, now I am going to be grabbing my ice cream cone and snap this in half.
And we've made a mess.
Place it in here. Just like that. Now we're gonna grab our scissors and cut where the dotted line on the piping bag is. Do that to the side. And we are going to pipe it on.
Sorry for background noises.
Just like that.
That blue icing really stands out, doesn't it?
And I'm just gonna let J.I. hold it. And I'm gonna do the other ice cream cone. Oh.
Air bubbles.
Just like that. Then
You hold both of these.
I'll hold both of those. And J.I. is gonna do the 3-layered wafers. Now that we got the mixture inside the piping bag, we did have quite a mess. But anyways, we are going to start piping. And we are just going to use our spoon and just make this in half. I mean cut this, sorry. Ooh. anyways, now I am going to be grabbing my ice cream cone and snap this in half.
And we've made a mess.
Place it in here, just like that. Now we're gonna grab our scissors and cut where the dotted line on the piping bag is. Do that to the side. And we are going to pipe it on.
Sorry for background noises.
Just like that.
That blue icing really stands out, doesn't it?
And I'm just going to let J.I. hold it. And I'm going to do the other ice cream cone. Oh.
Air bubbles.
Just like that. Then
You hold both of these.
I'll hold both of those. And J.I. is going to do the 3-layered wall.